Hi, I'm Greg Hunter from Campbell, Western Australia. We're here to talk about our MDC campers.
And I'm Sean Huru from Campbell, Western Australia, here to talk about our MDC campers.
We've got the dual cab BT with the slide. We started out, what was it, about 6 days ago I think. Left home, travelled 6 days?
About six,
yeah. About 6 days, travelled across the Great Central Highway through to Mount Dare, then come across the Simpson on the, what's it called?
French line. QAA.
Up the QAA into Birdsville. Got here on Monday
Afternoon, yeah.
Yeah,
A lot of corrugations.
She was pretty rough,
yeah,
that's for sure.
Good, couple of long days towing. We've got a 3-year-old son, so it was a pretty big trip for him, trying to squeeze in as many Ks a day. And yeah, all in all went really well. Campers towed great, and yeah, just had fun.
We decided to get a camper trailer for this trip, basically maiden voyages for him. And yeah, we had a look through a few books and bits and pieces and found the MDC ones, and went up to the dealership in Perth there and had a bit of a look, and I come up with this one here for our family. It sort of suited what we needed, and probably one of the best things I've ever brought, really, to be honest. It's done the job extremely well and had no real dramas, and it's been good.
And for me, I suppose I'm more of a swag man, but with the missus and the young bloke, going to camp was definitely an easy option. The MDC Explorer rear fold. I wanted the Voyager. I didn't want anything too expensive really, but I ended up going the Explorer. I found having a fridge box is a better option, just a little bit more room, better storage. So yeah, and with the rear fold, having that big play area for the young bloke in poor weather made life a bit easier. And just get travelling, just use them for what they're for. They're really well designed. I suppose you just take the time to pick the one that's suitable for your situation. But I mean, there's a couple of little mods along the way that people share with you that you look at doing. Mainly lighting would be the biggest one on my list, just sorting out a bit of lighting for obviously overnight and whatever. But yeah, just hook it up and drive and just get out there and see Australia.
Yeah, gotta do it.